Mom, mama, mother, madre, whatever you call her, she's probably one of the most influential person in our life. She dressed us, cheered us on at soccer practice, held us while we cried from our first heartbreak, and supported us during every significant achievement. And she deserves to feel appreciated every day, but especially on Mother's Day. To get the lowdown on the things you love the most, we're gonna mention some varying stages of motherhood. And as we approach Mother's Day, be warned that talking shipping times may change. So we suggest starting your search now. I'm not gonna bog you down on 100 things to buy, but I'm gonna be specific for some mothers out there. Check them out, and I'm sure your wife or mother of your children is one of the ones mentioned here in this group. I'm Shivabs, and without further ado, let's get started. First on our list is Bio Oil Skincare Oil. The Bio Oil Skincare Oil is recommended by dermatologists because it's fragrance-free and contains antioxidants like vitamin E and vitamin A, along with herbal extracts such as lavender, chamomile, and sunflower oil. It's made for all skin types. This skincare oil can be used as a dark spot corrector and skin treatment to help reduce the appearance of stretch marks, scars, aging skin, and dehydrated skin. Next on the list is the Yogasleep Hushh portable white noise sound machine for baby. The constant hum of white noise creates the optimal sleep environment for your baby or toddler. Help baby fall asleep, and more importantly, stay asleep by blocking out distractions. Perfect for sleep training. Good thing is, not only works for the babies, but also works for moms too. Kodak Step Wireless Mobile Photo Mini Color Printer. If they love to show off their photos the old school way, consider gifting her this easy to use, convenient mini color printer. They can easily print wallet-sized photos from a smartphone with this mini printer from Kodak. The Myco Foot Massager Machine. One of the best things about Myco Foot Massager is that it is very user-friendly. You have the option to control this unit by using one of the two remotes. It features two cloth-covered foot chambers which apply soothing shiatsu massage at the bottom and sides of feet. Next on the list is the Dr. Martens Unisex Slip-Resistant Service Boots. These leather boots have an iconic look. The leather uppers come in a variety of colors, and the synthetic sole provides a good grip. Looks fabulous. Love the classic type. Blue light blocking glasses. Now, if she's spending lots of time browsing Facebook groups or reading parenting books on an iPad, for example, these top-rated blue light blocking glasses should reduce some of the strain on her eyes. Kindle e-reader. If mom or your wife is one of those that likes to read books, this is a special or perfect gift for her. Her entire library will never be too far, and she will have it on hand whenever, if ever, and wherever that free moment comes. Kindles are the best device for reading, and they can hold thousands of titles. There's no eye strain, super long battery life, access to library, and you have access to Kindle Unlimited books. The Derma Blend Quick Fix Full Coverage Concealer Stick. Nothing is more satisfying or easier to use than a twist-up makeup pen, and this one will help mothers mask any lingering under-eye circles. A Aurora Ice Roller for face and eye. The Aurora Ice Roller brings relief to sunburns, dry skin, and relieving tiredness. The handle comes in a variety of colors and the cold head feels great on your skin. This roller is great for everyone. It moisturizes your skin and also relieves headache and sinus pain. They are great especially for puffiness, incoming migraines, and sinus pressure. Best Friends by Sherry is the original creator of the most popular dog bed that has surfaced. This innovative design supports joints and offers a calming, self-warming effect. It is washable, high quality, and looks great. Worth the price. Give your pet more than just a dog bed. Pet Kit Pet Backpack. The cat backpack is another good option that you can take anywhere. They are light and waterproof. Look no farther. Just go for this Pet Kit Pet Backpack. The backpack has a zipper closure, a little washable pad, and a loop inside where you can possibly tether a leash. The bottom of the backpack is sturdy and it holds your pet's weight, especially small animals like cats. It also has a sturdy frame and holds its shape pretty well. Ventilation is perfect, so no need to worry about your little pets. For the mom who loves to dance like no one is watching, the Sony SRX XB23 wireless Bluetooth speaker is the perfect option. It is an elegantly tube-shaped, decently sounding, mobile, excellent Bluetooth speaker that offers full-fledged playback. It can connect up to 2 devices at the same time, and it has an outstanding range. Ideally compact, lightweight, and easy to carry. Now, for the mom who's looking to be more active this year, at just under $100, the Fitbit Inspire 3 proves once again that tools for a healthy lifestyle should be accessible to everyone. It is a well-made, attractive fitness and health tracking device with many potentially useful features. The Fitbit Inspire 3 stands out as the most affordable tracker in Fitbit's lineup, with an 8-day battery life and bright colorful touchscreen that can stay on all day. Those are some gift ideas on that $100 that you can get for your mom or mother of your kid. Below are the links to these items if you're interested in getting them. Hope you found this video helpful. I appreciate your time watching it, and please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you have something additional, you can leave it also in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Ciao.